Hi, this is Cinderella for Cinderella Cleaning Services and Ash Removal. Is your house a pig pen? Does it smell like the 3 bears live there? Is it a place where even the 3 little pigs would hate to live? Have you been sweeping things under the rug? Well, if your rugs need a good beating, we'll be glad to come by and beat a rug or 2. And how about that fireplace? Is it full of soot, cinders, and ashes? How about that chimney? Would you be ashamed to have Santa Claus drop in unexpectedly? Well, our friendly and highly trained technicians can give your fireplace and chimney a good ash wiping. Think about it. Wouldn't you love to kiss your nasty ashes goodbye? If you do, you'll never have to hear your neighbor say this again.
Why, I can smell your ash from here.
As you know, our competition used that tired old method. That's right, they blow smoke up your ash. We would never blow smoke up your ash. Our technicians use only the mildest natural ingredients to kick your ash problem, leaving your home smelling smoke-free. And you'll never know the bears were there. So pick up the phone and give us a call. We'll clean your ash once and for all.
To schedule an appointment, call 1-800-GLASS-SLIPPER. That's 1-800-GLASS-SLIPPER. That's 1-800-GLASS-SLIPPER. Offer void where prohibited by law. Results may vary. All claims in this ad are not sanctioned by the Beantown Board of Health, nor by the management of this station. Services not covered by comets, asteroids, volcanoes, flash floods, or other natural disaster insurances. In the event that you've been invaded by bears, please call 1-800-GOLDILOCKS. That's 1-800-GOLDILOCKS. 1-800-GOLDILOCKS.